Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. I am Ayesa Asis Mayo from Burgos National High School, Cabarugis, Quirino. And I am the SSLG President of Burgos National High School. I am so happy and grateful na i-share sa inyo ang experience ko sa activity na pinuntahan ko nung Friday and Saturday. The activity po was called First Quirino Youth Leaders Parliament 2026 with the beautiful theme Youth Lead Today, Future Build Tomorrow. So, yung mga kasali po sa activity na yon ay lahat na SSLG President and Vice President from different private and public school in the entire Quirino province. The main goals po were really clear. First, to enhance our leadership skills and competence so we can serve better. Second, to teach us parliamentary procedures. We even had parliamentary procedure simulation. Isinagawa namin mismo kung paano gumagana ang tunay na pagpupulong. From making motions, speaking properly, up to voting. Third, to build friendship and unity among youth leaders from different schools. And lastly, to elect and select the official Quirino youth leaders who will represent our province. Sa 2 days po na iyon, sobrang dami kong natutunan. Things that I can apply in my daily life and back in school. Through parliamentary simulation, na-apply po namin yung mga natutunan namin. Kung paano magsalita ng tama, magmungkahi, at magdesisyon ng patas. Natutunan ko din po that leadership is not just about having a title. It's about courage, knowledge, and proper service. And na-realize ko po na we are stronger when we are united. Napakaganda po ng programang inilunsad ng Provincial Government of Quirino. It was not just a simple seminar. Talagang inihanda po nila kami to become better, wiser, and more confident leaders. Taos puso po kaming nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng naging parte ng activity na iyon. To Sir Vincent Alayay, maraming salamat po. Sa dalawa naming speaker, Attorney Nikki and Sir Jason, maraming salamat po. And of course, sa ating beloved provincial leaders, Honorable Dakila Carlo E. Cua, Honorable Congresswoman Midi Cua, Honorable Juni E. Cua, and Honorable Juni J. Cua, and sa lahat po ng leaders ng ating lalawigan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong malasakit at suporta sa aming mga kabataan. Thank you so much po for giving us this opportunity to learn, grow, and prepare ourselves for service. Hindi po kayo nagkulang sa paggabay at pagsuporta sa aming mga kabataan. We promise po na gagamitin namin lahat ng natutunan namin para maging mabubuting pinuno at makatulong sa ating lalawigan. God bless you all po and more power to come, Quirino Province. I love Quirino Province. Maraming salamat po!